This is the piano accompaniment of Someone You Love in the original key of D flat major. This is middle C. Let's start with the intro. First chord is D flat major, where we have F and A flat 4 times. A flat major, where we play C and E flat 4 times. Then we have B flat minor, D flat and F 4 times. G flat major, where we have B flat and D flat 3 times, followed by A flat and D flat. Let's try that again. D flat major, A flat major, B flat minor, and G flat major. For the left hand, we will be playing our root notes: D flat, A flat, B flat, and G flat. Let's try it together. D flat major, A flat major, B flat minor, and G flat major. This is pattern 1 and is played once in the intro. For the verses, we will be playing pattern number 1 again, except we will be playing 1 octave lower. For the last chord of pattern number 1, G flat major, sometimes B flat and D flat is played 4 times instead. Pattern number 1 is played 4 times in the first and second verse and 2 times in the first and second choruses. This brings us to our bridge. Our first chord is E flat minor, where we play G flat and B flat 4 times. B flat minor with D flat and F played 4 times. A flat major with C and E flat played 6 times. B flat minor with D flat and F played 2 times. E flat minor with G flat and B flat played 4 times. B flat minor with D flat and F played 4 times. And finally, A flat major with C and E flat played 4 times, followed by A flat. On the left hand, we'll be playing our root notes: E flat, B flat, A flat, B flat, E flat, B flat, A flat. Let's play both hands together. E flat minor, B flat minor, A flat major, B flat minor, E flat minor, B flat minor, and A flat major. We'll call this pattern number 2, and it is played in the bridge. This brings us to our last chorus, where we would play pattern number 1, 1 octave higher, with solid chords instead of broken chords. And this is played twice. Next, we will play pattern number 1 twice again, this time with broken chords 1 octave lower. On the left hand, we will be using octaves to add to the intensity of the chorus. Finally, we will play pattern number 1 once more, this time using solid chords, and end on a D flat major. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please consider giving it a like.